Hey there, tech explorers. Have you ever wondered what makes computers tick? Just like our bodies have organs, computers have special parts called hardware. They're like the building blocks of the digital world. Think of it like this. You wouldn't be able to ride a bike without wheels, handlebars, or pedals, right? Similarly, computers need different hardware components to work their magic. In this exciting journey, we'll dive into the fascinating world of computer hardware. We'll uncover the secrets behind input, output, processing, and storage devices. All the cool stuff that makes computers so amazing. Get ready to unleash your inner tech whiz. Ever wondered how we tell computers what to do? It's fascinating when you think about it. We interact with these machines every day, but how do they understand our commands? That's where input devices come in. These tools are essential for communication between us and our computers. They're like our messengers to the digital world. Without them, our computers would just be silent boxes. When you type on a keyboard, you're using an input device. It's one of the most common and versatile tools we have. Each keystroke sends a signal to the computer, telling it what letters or numbers to display. Imagine the complexity behind this simple action. The mouse is another cool input device. It revolutionized the way we interact with graphical interfaces. Moving it lets you control the cursor on the screen, and clicking the buttons tells the computer to select or open things. But wait, there's more. The mouse can also have additional buttons for extra functions. Microphones let you talk to your computer for video calls or voice commands. They convert sound waves into digital signals. Cameras capture images and videos. They are crucial for video conferencing, streaming, and even security. Touchscreens let you interact with your devices directly with your fingers. Cool, right? They combine the functions of a display and an input device. Input devices are the bridge between our thoughts and the digital realm. They translate our actions into data that computers can process, making technology accessible and intuitive. Now that we've told the computer what we want, it's time for it to talk back. This is where output devices come into play. They are the bridge between the digital world and our senses, translating the computer's binary language into something we can perceive and understand. That's where output devices steal the show. These devices are essential for us to interact with the computer's processed data. Without them, all the information processed by the computer would remain hidden in the digital realm, inaccessible to us. They take information from the computer and present it to us in a way we can understand. Whether it's visual, auditory, or even tactile, output devices convert the computer's data into a form that we can easily interpret and use. The most common output device is your monitor or screen. This device is crucial for displaying the graphical user interface, which allows us to interact with the computer through visual elements like icons, buttons, and windows. It displays text, images, and videos, bringing the digital world to life before your very eyes. High-resolution monitors enhance this experience by providing sharp, clear images that make everything from reading documents to watching movies more enjoyable. Need a hard copy? That's where printers come in handy. Printers are versatile output devices that can produce everything from simple text documents to high-quality photographs, making them indispensable in both home and office settings. They take digital information and print it on paper, so you can hold your work in your hands. This physical representation of digital data is essential for tasks like creating reports, sharing information, and preserving important documents. And let's not forget about speakers and headphones. These audio output devices are crucial for delivering sound, which is an important aspect of our interaction with computers. They bring sound to life, whether it's your favorite music, the roar of a dinosaur in a movie, or the voice of a friend during a video call. High-quality speakers and headphones can greatly enhance your audio experience, making it more immersive and enjoyable. Output devices turn the computer's language into something we can see and hear. They are the final step in the computer's process of transforming raw data into meaningful information, making them an essential part of our digital lives. From the screen that displays our favorite shows to the printer that produces our important documents, output devices are all around us, making the digital world accessible and interactive. Now let's meet the real brains of the operation, the CPU or central processing unit. If the computer were a body, the CPU would be its brain, making all the important decisions and calculations. Imagine the CPU as a super speedy chef in a busy kitchen. It takes instructions from the input devices, like orders from customers, and processes them lightning fast. It performs calculations, runs programs, and manages how data flows throughout the computer. The faster the CPU, the faster it can process information, making your computer run smoothly and efficiently. It's the mastermind behind everything your computer does. Section 5, the short-term memory RAM. Just like our brains need to remember things temporarily, computers need RAM, or random access memory. It's like the computer's short-term memory holding the information it needs to access quickly. Think of RAM as, well, a whiteboard. When you're working on a project, you jot down notes and ideas on the whiteboard so you can easily refer to them. Similarly, RAM stores data and instructions from the programs you're currently using. The more RAM a computer has, the more information it can hold in its short-term memory, allowing it to multitask and switch between different programs more smoothly. It's like having a bigger whiteboard that lets you work on more things at once without getting confused. Section 6. Long-term memories, storage devices. What happens to our memories when we go to sleep? They get stored in our brains, right? Our brains act like a complex storage system, organizing and filing away our experiences and knowledge for future use. Just like our brains, computers need to store information too. This is where storage devices come into play. They are essential components that allow computers to save and retrieve data efficiently. Storage devices in computers are akin to our long-term memory. They keep data safe and sound, ensuring that important information is not lost and can be accessed whenever needed. Think of them as the computer's long-term memory, preserving everything from your favorite photos to critical system files. Without these devices, our computers would be unable to retain any information once powered off. The most common storage device is the hard drive. Hard drives have been the backbone of computer storage for decades, providing a reliable way to store large amounts of data. Imagine a hard drive as a giant filing cabinet inside your computer. It meticulously organizes and stores all your files, programs, and the operating system itself, making sure everything is in its place. This organization ensures that you can access your data quickly and efficiently whenever you need it. Whether it's a document you need for work or a game you want to play, the hard drive has it all stored and ready. Another type of storage device is the SSD, or solid-state drive. Unlike hard drives, SSDs have no moving parts, which makes them faster and more durable. SSDs are like super-fast hard drives. They make your computer boot up in seconds and load programs almost instantaneously. This speed can significantly enhance your computing experience, especially for tasks that require quick data access. And then there are external storage devices like USB flash drives and memory cards. These portable devices are incredibly convenient for transferring data between computers or carrying important files with you. Think of them as portable memory banks. They allow you to take your data with you wherever you go, making it easy to share files, back up important information, or simply have your favorite media on hand at all times. Section 7. Putting it all together. How hardware works in harmony. Now that we've met the key players, let's see how they all work together in perfect harmony. Imagine you're playing a computer game. When you press a key on your keyboard, input, the CPU, brain, receives the signal and processes it. It retrieves the game data from the RAM, short-term memory, and sends instructions to the graphics card, which then displays the action on your monitor, output. The game itself is stored on your hard drive, long-term memory, ready to be loaded into RAM when you want to play. It's like a well-coordinated orchestra, with each hardware component playing its part to create a seamless computing experience. Section 8. The ever-evolving world of computer hardware. The world of computer hardware is constantly evolving, with new and faster technologies emerging all the time. Remember when computers used to be huge, bulky machines? Now we have super slim laptops and powerful smartphones that fit in our pockets. From faster processors to larger storage capacities, the future of computer hardware is full of exciting possibilities. Who knows what amazing gadgets and gizmos we'll be using in the years to come? The journey of discovery never ends. Section 9. Keep exploring. Congratulations, tech explorers! You've journeyed into the heart of computer hardware and unlocked its secrets. But the adventure doesn't end here. There's a whole universe of technology out there waiting to be discovered. Keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and keep your curiosity alive. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one inventing the next big thing in computer hardware.